You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from anatomy, medical terms, stay tuned. It's the plural of the word Canaliculi. So it's usually pronounced, most dictionaries say that the English pronunciation is as Canaliculi. Canaliculi. Now, it's sometimes pronounced as Canaliculi, and that's also correct. It's a more scientific Latin pronunciation. Canaliculi is more Latin, so it does exist, and it does exist. It's correct too. The English pronunciation, however, is commonly Canaliculi. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.